My name is Tom, and today is a very bright and productive Tuesday. I wake up early and feel the warm sun on my face. My internal logic tells me that a good day starts with a walk. I put on my favorite blue t-shirt and my comfortable blue jeans. I leave my apartment and walk to the local bakery near the corner. The air is fresh and the street is quiet and very peaceful. I buy a long French baguette that smells absolutely masterful and high quality. I am satisfied with the quality of the bread and the friendly service. I decide to take a different path home through the old art district. The buildings here are colorful, and many people have small creative shops. My blue eyes look at the windows and the beautiful flower pots. I feel a lot of positive energy and some creative inspiration today. Logic says that exploring new places is good for a healthy mind. Everything looks organized, clean, and very masterful in this part of town. I see a small sign that says Lily's Art Studio, welcome inside. The door is open, and I can hear some soft classical music. I'm a proactive person, so I stop to look inside the room. I see a young woman with a blonde bob working on a large canvas. She wears a purple apron with many small spots of bright paint. Every detail of her studio is ultra-realistic and looks very professional. I feel a lot of curiosity about her masterful and colorful work. I stand for a second and watch how she uses her long brush. The light in the studio is perfect for a high-quality artistic process. I is Tom, and I am satisfied with the vertical quality of this morning. I believe that meeting an artist is a great goal for my day. Lily turns her head and sees me standing near the wooden door. She has a very kind smile and very bright, energetic hazel eyes. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly atmosphere of her studio. I say hello and show her my fresh baguette from a bakery. We are moving to the first words of our interesting conversation. Lily invites me inside, and the room smells like oil, paint, and earth. I am satisfied with the masterful quality of the paintings on the walls. She tells me that her day today is full of a new project. She is painting the city park during the golden sunset hour. Logic tells me that her vision is very creative and very deep. I look at the blue colors on her palette, and I feel happy. This is my favorite blue, just like your shirt, Tom, she says. I'm satisfied with her observation and her proactive, friendly style today. We talk about how colors can change our feelings and our mood. Every detail of her landscape is ultra detailed and looks very real. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from her masterful artistic skills. She shows me a corner where she makes small pots from gray clay. I am a proactive teacher, so I enjoy learning about the ceramic process. Everything feels organized, stable, and very logical in her creative world. I see a heavy box of new clay on the floor near the table. I'm a proactively acting man, so I offer to help her move it. We lift the box together and place it on a high-quality shelf. I am satisfied with the physical activity and the productive teamwork today. Lily claps her hands and thanks me for my masterful help. I believe that being helpful is a very logical part of a good day. The atmosphere in the studio is very warm, safe, and mastery. Every second of this encounter is a high-quality memory for my mind. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my walk. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every minute. The morning becomes the afternoon very quickly in this beautiful studio. I feel very successful because I am making a new friend today. Everything looks high quality organized, and very masterful around us. My blue t-shirt has a small spot of clay, but I am satisfied. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. We are moving to have a short break outside in the sun. We sit on a small green bench near the studio's entrance. I open my paper bag and break the fresh baguette into two pieces. The bread is still a bit warm, and the crust is very crunchy. I am satisfied with the quality of our simple and delicious lunch. Lily tells me about her childhood in a small village near the mountains. Logic tells me that simple food and good stories are the best. Everything feels peaceful, stable, and very logical under the blue sky. We watch the people walking past us with their shopping bags and dogs. I feel a lot of positive energy and a sense of great success today. Lily says that a routine is important, but surprises make life better. I agree because my routine today led me to her masterful studio. Every detail of the street is ultra-realistic and full of life. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we are building. We talk about the importance of rest and horizontal relaxation. Logic. My blue eyes are bright as I listen to her masterful ideas. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. I believe that every person has a story that is worth a high-quality book. The sun is warm, and the atmosphere is full of active energy. Every second of this break is useful and very interesting for me. I am satisfied with the proactive way we spend our masterful time. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every masterful minute. Lily gives me a small glass of water and smiles at me again. I feel the stability of the moment and the joy of simple things. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical. A logic tells me that my external logic is now in a horizontal balance. I is Tom, and my masterful story about my day continues with joy. The bakery bread is gone, and we feel very energetic and productive. Every detail of our simple lunch was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of the afternoon sun. We are moving to look at the finished paintings in the back. We walk back inside to a small room that looks like a gallery. The walls are covered with finished works in high-quality wooden frames. I'm satisfied with the masterful result of her many years of work. I see paintings of the sea, the forest, and the busy city streets. Logic tells me that her talent is very masterful and very deep. Every detail of the water and the trees is ultra-realistic and clear. I feel a lot of creative inspiration as I look at each masterpiece. Lily explains that she paints every day to keep her skills stable. I am a proactive person, so I admire her discipline and her goal. This painting of the blue lake is my favorite. I tell her. She smiles and says that the color blue represents peace and logic. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of the communication we share. Everything feels organized, clean, and very masterful in this gallery. I believe that our internal logic is the real goal to success. The atmosphere is quiet, respectful, and full of masterful art vibes. I feel very successful because I am learning about the world of art. Every second in this room is a high-quality lesson for my heart. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every masterful minute. Subsurface scattering on the final canvases makes them look deep and real. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we have in this life. Everything looks high quality, organized, and very masterful on this afternoon. I is Tom, and my masterful story about today is becoming a masterpiece. Lily shows me a small sketch of a bird she made this morning. It is simple, powerful, and very logical in its high quality form. Every detail of the feathers is ultra detailed and very masterful. I am satisfied with the proactive way she shares her masterful vision. The world is a very interesting and high quality place to be. I'm a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. We are moving to choose a small souvenir for my home. Lily takes a small, square canvas from a shelf near the window. It is a painting of a single blue flower in a small glass vase. I want you to have this to remember your day today, Tom, she says. I am satisfied with the quality of her kindness and her masterful gift. Logic tells me that a gift from an artist is a very high quality honor. I take the small painting carefully and look at the blue petals. It matches my blue t-shirt perfectly, and it makes me feel very proud. I feel a lot of positive energy and a sense of great success today. Everything feels organized, safe, and mastery in this final studio moment. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my day. I believe that every small meeting can change our whole horizontal week. The atmosphere is full of mutual respect and very quiet, warm joy. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond one found in this studio. My blue eyes are calm, and my smile is very confident and wide. Every detail of the blue flower is ultra realistic and very masterful. I'm satisfied with the proactive way I spent my masterful afternoon minutes. I thank Lily for the painting and for her masterful and kind time. She says that she is satisfied with the vertical quality of our talk. Everything looks high quality, organized, and very masterful on this terrace. I feel very successful because I am leaving with a beautiful memory. A proactive and friendly interaction is always a new high quality beginning. Every second of this meeting was a high quality professional adventure. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. Subsurface scattering on the final flower makes it look alive and real. Every detail of my day was a high quality, adventurous logic proactively. I'm satisfied with the stable rhythm of the late afternoon sun. The world is a very interesting and high quality place to live. I is Tom, and my masterful story about art ends with a vertical smile. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we have. We're moving to say a final goodbye at the studio gate. I walk out of the studio, holding my small painting very carefully. The sun is now a large orange ball behind the high-quality trees. Every step I take feels more stable and more successful than before. I'm satisfied with the quality of the evening air and the atmosphere. My blue t-shirt is cool in the soft breeze as I walk toward my house. Logic says that my simple Tuesday became a masterful and creative day. I am a proactive person, and I feel very successful in my heart today. Every detail of the city at sunset is ultra realistic and very bright. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration for my evening. I reach my apartment building and look up at my high quality windows. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond one made with Lily today. I believe that proactive communication is the key to a masterful life. The atmosphere is full of life and very happy sound of the street. My new painting is a symbol of my growth and my masterful day to day. Every second of this walk is a high quality memory for my stable mind. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my masterful afternoon minutes. I enter my apartment and place the blue flower on my wooden desk. I put my fresh baguette on the counter and prepare a simple dinner. My home feels more colorful and more masterful with my new art piece. I am satisfied with the quality of the change I made for myself today. Tomorrow I will wake up with a new and energetic vibe for my work. I is Tom, and I am proud of my simple and powerful, masterful story. The sun is gone, and the moon is bright and clear in the sky. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond one found. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. Logic. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live today. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. Good night, city, and thank you for the colors and the masterful friend. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. I am ready for the new dreams and the new successful mornings.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.